Hello children, warm welcome to the mathematics class. Children, in our last videos we have seen something about numbers, playing with numbers. Is it? Today we will learn how to recognize a number which is divisible by some digits. Say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. How to check this number which are completely divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 or 11. How to search a number, how to recognize a number whether it is divisible by that number completely or not. For example, let us see 20 is divisible by 2 or not, completely by 2 or not. If we divide by 20 by 2, what is the answer? 2 ones are 2, then 0, 0 is the remainder. So 20 can be divided by 2 completely, there is no remainder is 0. Whether 21 is divisible by 3, yes, 21, 3 sevens are 21, remainder is 0. If 25 is divisible by 3, 3 6 are 3 8s are 24, one remainder not divisible by 3. 25 is not divisible by 3 completely because it leaves a remainder 1, isn't it? Therefore, 21 is divisible by 3 completely, no remainder, not remaining any residue or remainder. 20 can be divided by 2 completely. That is the meaning. Now, we have to check like this. Some numbers are, given numbers are divisible by all these numbers or not. Whether it is divisible by these numbers completely or not, we have to check. Some numbers are there. For example, 2. How to check a number whether it is divisible by 2 or not? Divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. How to check whether it is divisible by 2 or not? See, to check a number whether it is divisible by 2 or not, the last digit, you have to check the last digit of the number. Last digit of the number or a number which ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. These even numbers. If these even numbers are there in the last digit means in the ones place of a number, if it ends with these digits, that is divisible by 2. For example, I will write a number 252. Whether it is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 2. Why? Because in the ones place there is 2. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are there in the unit place. That numbers are, such numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 is in the units place. Therefore, this number is divisible completely by 2. I will write another number 550. Whether it is divisible by 2? Yes, because 0 is there in the unit place. Yes, I will write another number 831. Whether this number is divisible by 2? What is there in the unit place? 1 is in the unit place. If 1 is there, that number is not completely divisible by 2. What must be there? Any of these digits must be there in the unit place. Okay? This is how we can search if a number is divisible by 2. Okay, next let us check whether a number is divisible by 5. Very easy. If there is 0 or 5 in the unit place. See, by identifying a particular number 0 or 5 in the unit place, such numbers are divisible by 5. For example, 30. Can you divide it by 5? Yes, we can divide it by 5. 5, 6 are 30. No remainder. Whether it is say 25. Can you divide it by 5? 5, 5s are 25. Other than this 0 or 5, any other number. For example, 27. Can you divide it by 5? No. 5 5s are 25. The remainder remains, that is 2. There not 0. There remains 2. 2 remains. Therefore, if a number which ends with 0 or 5, such numbers are divisible by 5. Okay, very easily you can search. Next, how to search a number is divisible by 10? To search whether it is divisible by 10 or not, the unit place must be 0. In the unit place or ones place, the digit must be 0. If 0 is in the unit place, such numbers are divisible by 10. Very easy. See, for example, 5050. It is divisible by 10. Why 0 is there in the unit place? Whether 60 is divisible by 10? Yes, 60 is divisible by 10. Other than 0, if any other digits are there, such numbers are not divisible by 10. For example, 72. Whether it is divisible by 10? No. You can't divide 72 by 10 completely. If you divide by 10, 7 are 70, remains 2. 10 7s are 70 and the remainder is 2 minus 0 is 2. Therefore, not divisible by 10 completely. So, what must be there in the unit place? Whether it is divisible by 10 or not. To search, 0 must be there. So, remember, whether a number is divisible by 2. To search whether a number is divisible by 2, the unit place must be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Whether it is divisible by 5, to check a number is divisible by 5, the unit place must be 0 or 5. To search a number is divisible by 10, the unit place must be 10. Unit place must be 0. Okay. Yes. Next, how to search a number is divisible by 3, divisible by 3 and 9. Very easy. Suppose a number is divisible by 3 or 9. To check, what you have to do is, see 3, say 56. Suppose a number is like this or 56. Whether it is divisible by 3 or not, to check, what you have to do is add the digits 3 plus 5 plus 6. Suppose the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. Or the sum of the number is divisible by 9, that number is divisible by 9. Okay. So 3, 5, 6. What is the sum? 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 14 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 356 is also not divisible by 3. Okay. Suppose I will write another number, say 4356. Whether it is divisible by 3, see 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. What is the sum? 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. Whether 18 is divisible by 3 completely? Yes, we can divide 18 by 3. 6 times we can divide. Why? 18 divided by 3 means how much? 3, 6 are 18. Remainder is 0. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 3. Okay, whether this number is divisible by 9, then what you have to do? Sum of the digits is 18. Whether 18 is divisible by 9? Yes, 18 is divisible by 9 also. See, 18 divided by 9. 9 2s are 18. The remainder is 0. Therefore, this number 4356 is also divisible by 9. Remember, okay? So, very easily you can find whether a number is divisible by 3 or 9. To check, what you have to do? The sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Such numbers are divisible by 3. If the sum of the numbers is divisible by 9, then such number is also divisible by 9. Very easily we can identify. Okay? So, 3 and 9 over. Next. 6. How to search a number is divisible by 6? See, 6 is divisible by 2 completely. 6 3s are 2 3s are 6. 6 is also divided by 3. You can divide by 3. The answer is 3 2s are 6. Remainder is 0. So 6, the number 6 can be divided by both 2 and 3. Therefore, a number which is divisible by 3 as well as 2 as well as 3, both of the numbers, then such numbers are also divisible by 6. Now I told how to search a number is divisible by 2 or 3. You know, 2, the even number must be there, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the unit place. Whether it is by 3, you have to count the sum of the digits. If you add the digits or sum of the digits is divisible by 3, such number is divisible by 3. So you have to check whether by both 2 and 6, then such number is divisible by 6. 2 and 3, such numbers are divisible by 3. Okay. For example, I will write a number, say 52. Whether it is divisible by 6, divisible by 6, how to search this one? Divisible by 6 or not? How to search it? I told her it must be divided by 2 as well as 3 completely. Whether this number can be divided by 2? Yes, you can say. Why? It is divisible by 2. Why? 2 is there in the unit place. Okay, by 2 it is possible. Whether it is divisible by 6, whether it is divisible by 3, what you have to do? You have to add the digits. 5 plus 2. What is the digit? 5 plus 2 is 7. Whether 7 is divisible by 3? No, you can't divide 7 by 3 completely. Is it? See, 7 by 3 is equal to 3, 2s are 6, remains 1. 1 is the remainder. You can't divide. Therefore, 52 can be divided by 2, but it is not divided by 3. Therefore, 52 is not divided by 6 completely. Okay? You can't divide it by 6. Now I will write 27. I will write 27. Whether it is divisible by 6, whether it is divisible by 6. So what you have to do? Search whether it is divisible by 2. No, you can't divide it by 2. Why? Because here 7 is there in the unit place. If 7 is there, such numbers are not divisible by 2. You can't divide it by 2. Whether it is divisible by 3, yes, sum of the digit 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. You can divide by 3, but you can't divide it by 2. Therefore, 27 cannot be divided by 6 completely. Okay. Suppose if you reverse the digit 72. Now can you divide it by 2? Yes. Whether 72 is divisible by 2 completely? Yes, 2 is there in the unit place, you can divide. What is the sum of the digits? 7 plus 2 is 9. Can you divide 9 by 3? Yes, you can divide 9 by 3 completely. Therefore, this 72 can be divided by 2. Why? Because 2 is there in the unit place. 72 can be divided by 3. Why? The sum of the digits is 9. It is divisible by 3. Therefore, 72 can be divided by 6 also. Why? 72 can be divided by 2 as well as 3. Therefore, 72 can be divided by 6 also. So, how to search whether a number is divisible by 6? You have to search whether that number, given numbers are divisible by 6. To search, you have to check that numbers are divisible by 2 or 3. If that numbers are divisible by or given numbers are divisible by 2 and 3, then such numbers are also divisible by 6. Okay, like this we will search. Next, 4 and 8. How to search a number whether it is divisible by 4 and 8? See, very simple. See, numbers having digits 3 or more. 3 or more. For example, 556. 556. 3 or more. Here, if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then that given number is also divisible by 4. Last 2 numbers, last 2 digits are divisible by. Whether 56 is divisible by 4? See, let us check 4. So, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. 4 ones are 4, 16, 4 fours are 16. So, you can divide 56 by 4 completely. 0 is the remainder. 14 is a quotient. So 56 is since 56 is divisible by 4, then 556 is also divisible by 4. Okay, so what you have to do? A number with 3 or more digits, then the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then such a number is also divisible by 4. For example, 556, 56 is divisible by 4 16 times, therefore 556 is also divisible by 4 completely. And what about 8? To check whether a number is divisible by 8 or not, now what you have to do? The digits having 4 or more, the last 3 digits are divisible by 4. See, 5, 7, 2. Suppose like this, if 5572, now I told whether it is divisible by 4, what you have to do? You have to check only the last digit. 5572, whether it is divisible by 4, to check what you have to do? Last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then 72 is divisible by 4, yes, 4 1s are 4, 32, 4 8s are 32, so we can say 0 is a remainder. The 72 is divisible by 4, therefore 5572 is also divisible by 4. Now to check whether it is divisible by 8, what you have to do is, the last 3 digits you have to search. The numbers having 3 or more, then last 3 digits are divisible by 8 completely, then such a number is divisible by 8. Let us check. 572 is divisible by 8. See, 572 divided by 8. Let us check that. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are like that. 8, how many times you can divide? 8 fours are 32, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, then 8 eights are 8 six are 48, 48, then 8 sevens are 56, 8 sevens are 56, so remainder is 12, 8 ones are 8, therefore 4 remainder. 572 is not, you can't divide 572 completely by 8, therefore 5572 is not divisible by 8. Whether it is divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4. Why? Because last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then it is, that given number is also divisible by 4. If last 3 digits are divisible by 8, not 2, last 3 digits you have to search. Last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then such a number is also divisible by 8. So you can write. Suppose if it is instead of if it is 4, now you can divide it by 4. Suppose here it is 4. Yes, what happens? It becomes 14. Can you divide it by 4? No. Here also you can't divide it by 4. Okay. So to search a number is divisible by 4 or not, what you have to do? You have to the numbers having 3 or more digits, then last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then such a number is divisible by 4. The numbers having 4 or more digits, then last 3 digits are completely divisible by 8, then such a number is also divisible by 8. Okay, like this we can recognize. So 4 and 8 we will recognize like this. Yes, next one more digit, whether it is divisible by 11 or not. For example, I will write a number, say 308. How to search this number is, you have to search the odd places from the right. Right means this side. Odd places, 1, 2. 2 places are there, odd. 1, 2, 3. Odd places, 1 and 3rd digit. So add that number separately. It is 11. And add the even digits separately. Here only one even digit. This is even digit. 1, 2. 2 is the even place. 0. Is it? So even digit is 0. So sum of odd digits, digits in the odd place, sum of digits in the odd place, and sum of digits in the even place. Sum of digits in the even place. Sum of digits in the even place. Yes, even place. Yes, what is the sum of the digits in the even place? There is only one, 0. Now find the difference of that 11 and 0. What is the difference? The 11 and 0, the difference is 1, 11. Is it? See, remember, the difference of the sum of the digits in the odd places and sum of the digits in the even places is 0 or 11, then such numbers are divisible by 11. Very simple. The sum of the digits in the odd place and sum of the digits in the even place, if their difference is 0 or 11, then such numbers are divisible by 11. Here the sum of the digits of the odd places is 11, sum of the digits in the even places is only one digit, 0. So 11 and 0, the difference is 11, therefore that is divisible by 308 is divisible by 11. See, look here, I will write another number. Say another number, say 1331. Suppose a number is like this, 1331. Yes, what is the sum of the digits in the even place? This is in the even place, this is in the even place. What is the sum? 1 plus 3. In odd places, 1 plus 3, it is 4. Is it? In the even places, 3 and 1. 2, 4, 6, like that. 1, 3, 5, like that. Odd places. 2, 4, 6, 8, like that. Even places. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Is it? See, even places also. Even places, sum of the digits in the even places 3 and 1. 3 plus 1. What is the sum? 4. See, what is the difference of the odd places? Sum of the digits of the odd places and the even places? 4 and 4. What is the difference? 4 minus 4. It is 0. So, 0 or 11 I said. Therefore, 1331 is divisible by 11 because the sum of the digits of the odd places and sum of the digits of the even places is 0. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 11. Now, I will write another number. Say 61,809. 61,809. Suppose this number. See, let us add the digits of the odd places. Odd places 9, 8, 6. So 6 plus. From right side you have to search odd places from the right, not from the left. From this side. This side means 1, 2, like that comes. From right side it is odd places. From right side it is even places. So 9 plus 8 plus 6. This is odd places. Is it? Yes. What is the sum? 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 6 is equal to 20. 17 plus 6 is equal to 23. 17 plus 6 is equal to 23. Even places. What is the digit in the even places? 0. See 0 and 1. 0 plus 1. What is the sum? 1. What is the difference of 23 and 1? The difference of 23 and 1. 23 minus 1 is 22. Whether 22 is divisible by 2? 22 is divisible by 1. 11. Yes, we can divide 22 by 11. 2 times. 11 2s are 22. Is it? Therefore, 22. The difference of the number is divisible by 11. Therefore, the given number 61,809 is also divisible by 11. So very simple. So how to search a number is divisible by 11 or not? If the difference of the sum of the digits of the odd places and sum of the digits of the even places is 0 or which is the multiple of 11 or that number is divisible by 11, then such numbers are divisible by 11. Okay, so that is very simple. Then we can identify such numbers are divisible by 11. We can say such numbers are divisible by 11. So here today we have learned how to search a number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 completely or not. Let us recall once again, children, again how to search a number. If 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the unit place, such numbers are divisible by 2. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3 completely, then such number is divisible by 3. How to search a number is divisible by 4? If the last 2 digits of a 3-digit number is divisible by 4, such a number is divisible by 4. How to search a number is divisible by 5? If 0 or 5 is in the unit place or ones place, such a number is divisible by 5. How to search a number is divisible by 6? If the given number is divisible by 3 or 2, both, then such a number is divisible by 6. How to search a number is divisible by 8? If the last 3 digit of a number is divisible completely by 8, then such a 4 digit or more number of digits number is divisible by 8. How to such a number is divisible by 9? If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then such a number is also divisible by 9. How to such a number is divisible by 10? If the last digit is 0, then such a number is divisible by 10. How to search a number is divisible by 11? If the difference of the sum of the digits of the odd places and sum of the digits of the even places is 0, or it is the multiple of 11, or that number is if that difference is divisible by 11, then such numbers are divisible by 11. So understand this problem properly. Go through the notes I have sent and write that notes in your notebook and try to understand all this concept. Okay, see you in our another class. Thank you, Anita.